Well, what do you think? This was so easy to do. It doesn't take a lot of skill, and the parts are readily available. Whatever mount you have for your camcorder or your camera or whatever it is that you want to mount on the top here, it's such an easy project. I'll show you some of the equipment here. You just need a Forstner bit. Now you could use a regular drill bit, would work fine. And this particular threaded insert is a 1/2 inch on the outside, and the end is 3/8. And if you take a look at the end here, you could see it fits in with this little tool. So all you do, pull the trigger, wait till it bottoms out on the bottom there, and away you go. Now you have a 1/4 20 thread on the inside. Now if you don't want to do that, you can just buy these. These are very cheap, you know, like 10 cents each, right? So it's got a threaded end, and this goes into the wood, and here's your 1/4 20 here, and you just put 2 nuts on and just drive it down until it has the right amount of threads that will catch your base plate. Such an easy project to do. And you know what? I looked online for some of these, you know, that just hold your piece of equipment. And I thought, you know what? I have this round piece of stock here. Why not? And, you know, I didn't want something that was too small in diameter. But you know what? You can make this from an old snow shovel piece of wood. Or be creative. Get yourself a branch, you know, off a tree. You can use this to mount for pretty well anything out of wood, right? So I hope you like this little bit of a thing that most people could do themselves. And the mounting hardware on the top here. And of course, I got 2 base plates. So I got the base plate and the mounting part itself. And what I like about this particular mount is it slides off and on a track. It's not like one of these wing nut kind of things. I like this mount. It's very sturdy and it's very strong, and it doesn't move on you. So thanks for joining me here today. I hope you learned something and had a little bit of fun watching me build this. If you haven't seen this channel before, you're welcome to subscribe. Come back again and let's build some more stuff like this in the future. Cheers.